In last class, we discussed property Laplace transform of some standard functions. We'll revise that. These notes I need to send, right? Wait, I will send through WhatsApp. You can check your WhatsApp. I sent notes. Now we'll start. Before going to next problem, we'll revise what we did yesterday. If you have any problems in voice or in screen, you can just message me. So Laplace transform. Laplace transform, this is the basic definition. L of f of t equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. This is the definition of Laplace transform. L of f of t is also denoted by f bar of s. Okay, yesterday I didn't told this. It is also denoted by f bar of s. Okay. Next, we discuss Laplace transform of some standard functions. L of a. If you use the definition, then if 0 to infinity e power minus ft, you will get a by s. So similarly, Laplace transform of e power at, you will get 1 by s minus a. Then Laplace transform of cos hyperbolic at, you will get s by s square minus a square. Laplace transform of sin hyperbolic at, you will get a by s square minus a square. Then Laplace transform of cos at, you will get s by s square plus a square. Then Laplace transform of sin at, it will be a by s square plus a square. This one we haven't discussed. This one we haven't discussed. We'll discuss that. Laplace transform of t power n. So what is the basic definition of f of t? Basic definition of f of t is L of f of t equal to 0 to integral 0 to infinity f of t integration symbol can't take here. is difficult to write. It is difficult to write this. So L of f of t equal to e power minus st f of t dt. In place of f of t, we have to write t power n. Now, here for this problem means for this function t power n, what you have to take st, this one. Take st as x. Take st as x. Okay. Now, what is dt? Dt is dx by s, and x where is from 0 to infinity only. How? Substitute lower limit in place of t, substitute lower limit 0 into s will be 0 only, so x will be x will be 0. Then substitute upper limit in place of t, substitute infinity, that will be infinity into anything will be infinity, so that is infinity. Therefore 0 to infinity only. Now change all the limits and then this functions. E power in place of stx, then in place of t, what is t? X by s whole power n, then in place of dt, dx by s. Correct? Take s outside the integral because we need not integrate s. With respect to x, we are integrating. S is treated as constant. So 1 by s power n plus 1, 0 to infinity, e power minus x, x power n dx. This is standard function. This is called gamma function. Okay. So gamma function, what is the actual formula? Gamma of n equal to 0 to infinity e power minus x, x power n minus 1 dx. That is called gamma function. This one is studied in your second semester. Okay. Integration of e power minus x, x power n minus 1 dx is denoted by gamma of x, gamma of n. Here you have, if you compare this and this, 0 to infinity is there, 0 to infinity is there. E power x is there, e power x is there. X power n minus 1 is there, but here x power n. So this will become 1 more than this because this one more than this. Power of x is 1 more than this power. So here also you need to add 1 power. Okay. So this whole thing will become gamma of n minus n plus 1, s power n plus 1 as it is. Okay. So answer for Laplace transform of t power n is gamma of n plus 1 divided by s power n plus 1. Okay, any doubt in this? Gamma of n plus 1 divided by s power n plus 1. Next, Laplace transform of t power n where n is a positive integer. Laplace transform of t power n, here one difference is there. Laplace transform of t power n, I will tell what is the differentiation after deriving this, where n is a positive integer. We can derive this in two ways. This is for all n. This is for only positive integer. Positive integer means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay. So for that, integrate this by parts. First write the basic definition of Laplace transform. Laplace transform of f of t is 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. In place of f of t, you have t power n. Therefore, here also t power n will come. Then integrate this by parts. First function as it is, t power n as it is, integration of this e power minus st by minus s between 0 to infinity minus this in what you integrated as it is, differentiation of this. Differentiation of first function n t power n minus 1. Now if you substitute limit e power minus infinity, that is 0. Then t we need to substitute now 0. 0 into anything will be 0. So this will be 0. You can multiply this minus and minus, it will become plus n by s 0 to infinity e power minus st e power n minus 1 dt. Then after this is actually similar to definition of Laplace transform. See here, this is definition of Laplace transform 0 to infinity e power minus st. Here t power n is there, therefore L of t power n. Here t power n minus 1, therefore L of t of n minus 1, t power n minus 1. Okay. Similarly, you can build the relation. If you have L of t power n, then n by s, L of t power n minus 1. If you have L of t power n minus 1, means in place of n, write n minus 1. Here in place of n, n minus 1. Here in place of n, n minus 1, minus 2. So n minus 2. It will continue like this. For L of n minus 2, in place of n, n minus 2. In place of n, n minus 2 by s. In place of n, n minus 2 minus 1. That is n minus 3. If you continue like this, it will end in L of t power 1 equal to 1 by s, L of t power 0. T power 0 is 1. Now, L of t power n equal to n factorial divided by s power n. Okay, back substitution. N by s as it is, in place of this, write this, n minus 1 by s as it is, in place of this, in place of L of t power n minus 2, write this. Then in place of L of t power n minus 3, write this. It will continue like this. It will end here. So it will be n factorial. N into n minus 1, n minus 2, up to 2 into 1 is nothing but n factorial. S into s into s into s means how many times? N times. So s power n. Here L of t power 0 is L of 1. L of 1 is 1 by s. So n factorial as it is, denominator s power n plus 1. When n is a positive integer, then Laplace transform is n factorial divided by s power n plus 1. Same Laplace transform of t power n, you have two formulas. This is for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Laplace transform of t power n, this is for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. This is for all, means for example 1 by 2 power n, 2 by 5 power n like that. Okay, when we do problems you will understand. Find the Laplace transform of the following functions. We'll do some problems. Any doubt on this? Any doubt on this? Laplace transform of elementary functions. You need to reply. Any doubts? Find the Laplace transform of the following functions. Cos hyperbolic square 3t. Cos hyperbolic square 3t can also be written as e power 3t plus e power minus 3t by 2. How? I will try to use that whiteboard app plugin. We'll check whether it will work or not. Wait a minute. I'm trying that AWW board whether it is possible to write or not. Yesterday I tried, I didn't got. That's why. If I write, then it is little bit easier to understand. That's why. Because of that only, I was using Zoom app. I can write and show easily, but you are telling we are not comfortable like that. Actually, writing and all, it was easier. I can write and I can draw, I can show the arrow, but don't know what you people thought. It was difficult. That's why I switched to Google Meet. Okay, this is present. Let us scroll. Are you seeing? Seeing, right? We were. This is the problem. If you want to load, yes, we are doing this. This problem we are doing. So f of t is equal to this. Cos hyperbolic is nothing but e power t plus e power minus t divided by 2. Okay, cos hyperbolic t is nothing but this. We have cos hyperbolic square 3t e power 3t plus e power cos hyperbolic square 3t is same as cos hyperbolic 3t whole square. Correct? So if you write this, this will be e power 3t plus e power minus 3t whole square divided by 4. That 1 by 4 I will write here. Then a plus b whole square formula e power 3t whole square e power 3t whole square. Whether text box is there? Yes. E power 3t e power 3t whole square plus e power minus 3t whole square plus 2 e power 3t into e power minus 3t. Correct? E power 3t e power minus 3t will get 1. Now take this Laplace transform. Take Laplace transform separately. Take Laplace transform separately to each term. For this term, if you take Laplace transform, then 1 by 4 into Laplace transform for each term. Laplace transform of e power 60 plus Laplace transform of e power minus 60 plus Laplace transform of 2. Now, everything. I am not getting here. Yes. 1 by 4 Laplace transform of e power Laplace transform of e power at is 1 by s minus a. Use that formula. Okay. Laplace transform of e power 60, that will become 1 by s minus 6 because in place of a you have 6. Laplace transform of e power minus 6e minus 60 1 by s plus a. Then Laplace transform of 2. For this, write 2 outside. Laplace transform of 1. 2 as it is. Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. So 2 by s. Correct? So answer is 1 by 4 into 1 by s minus a plus 1 by s plus 4 plus 2 by s. This is the answer. Next problem. Cos t, cos 3t, cos 2t, cos 3t. Yesterday we did this, right? Now, Laplace transform of, find let f of t equal to 3t plus 4 whole power 3 plus 5 power t. This one will do. For this, first we need to use a plus b whole cube formula. What is a plus b whole cube formula? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, use that formula, a plus b whole square formula, a plus b whole cube formula. Then for this, you can write this as 5 power t, 5 power t, you can write this as e power log 5 power t. Okay, why? This and this will get cancelled. Only 5 power t will be left. Nothing I am changing. This e and log will get cancelled. 5 power t will be left. Therefore, I can write like this. Then you can also write this as t into log 5. Both are same. Okay, t into log 5. You can also write this as e power log 5 into t. Okay, anything to the power of t, any number to the power of t, you have to reduce this to exponential. Okay, you have to reduce this to exponential. How to reduce this? Here I have written. Okay, here I have written, you can see. Now Laplace transform of this I need. Laplace transform 27 outside, Laplace transform of 27 outside, Laplace transform of t cube. T cube, this is the formula. Laplace transform of t power n is n factorial divided by s power n plus 1. Gamma won't come here because it is a integer, positive integer. It should be positive integer. 3 is a positive integer, so we need to use this formula. In place of n3, s 3 plus 1. Then 108 outside. Again you can use this formula only. 2 factorial divided by s power 2 plus 1. Again for this also same formula. Why? T power 1 is a positive integer. Okay, next for this 64 outside, Laplace transform of 1. Okay, then for this Laplace transform of e power at is 1 by s minus a. What is coefficient here? Coefficient is log 5. Therefore, in place of a, log 5. Okay, understanding? Understanding or what? If you won't reply, I won't do the writing and all. Just I will read the notes, then I will go. That's it. You are only not listening means why I have to do this much circus? Okay, I will take attendance. You have to unmute yourself, then you have to answer your attendance. Very sure. $19,001 Asta. Asta. Asta is not present. Then 2, Abdul Yusuf Khan.
Present, sir.
Then 3, Abhijit. Abhijit. Abhijit absent. Next, Abhishek, VSN 4.
Present, sir.
Abhishek. VSN 5, Abhishek Mishra. Abhishek Mishra.
Present, sir.
Then Adi Sharma, USN 6.
Present, sir.
Aditya Kumar, 7.
Present, sir.
Aditya Pratap, 8. Aditya Pratap. Absent. Aditya Pratap Verma. Aditya Kumar present. Aditya Kumar present, right? USN 7.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Yes, okay. Aditya Pratap Verma is absent. Aditya Raj,
Present, sir.
Akanksha,
Present, sir.
USN 11, Akili Chakra. USN 11. $12. Akshat H.
Present, sir.
Akshat H.
Present, sir.
Okay. Then 13, Amog S.
Present, sir.
14, Anaga.
Present, sir.
Anaga Shri. 15. 16.
Present, sir.
17.
Present, sir.
18. 18. 19.
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24, 23, 24,
24 present, sir.
24, 25,
Present, sir.
26, 26, 27, Shriyarsh, 28,
Present, sir.
29,